Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you are all doing well and safe. Well, today I am gonna talk about Scott Morrison statement. So let's start our video. Morrison admits state at different point in reopening journey but must reach same destination. Scott Morrison has declared it will up to each state and territory to decide how to ease restriction once vaccination rate lift across the country, after warning from the state that it will be unsafe to open border with only 70% coverage. But the Prime Minister, who announced on Tuesday that Australia had secured an extra 5 lakh doses of Pfizer vaccine from Singapore to distribute next week, also suggested that if state kept hard domestic border in place once vaccination rate lifted, some Australians would be free to travel overseas while others were not. Morrison said all states and territories are on this journey of national plan, but they are starting from different places. There is not a common COVID position across the country, but the place we are heading to is the same. Morrison said National Cabinet was working out the short stroke of precisely what would change between the vaccination rate of 70% and 80%, and said some states would ease restriction ahead of others. He is also said ending state border closure, which are not specially addressed in the National Cabinet plan, were a state matter, but he warned there could be two tiers of Australian travelers if some states refused to open up while others allowed home quarantine for people returning. Morrison said instead that we are not locking others out. There will be opportunity for people to go and travel and return to Australia and quarantine at home, and that people in those states who are overseas can come back to Australia. Western Australia Premier McGowan said that I have said many times we will open our border to COVID infected state when it's safe to do so, but that is not at 70% vaccination. The difference in timing would only be matter of a few months if we get our fair share of vaccine from the Commonwealth. Morrison told Perth Radio that Western Australia needed to remain outward looking, pointing to the resumption of flight to Bali as an example of freedom that would come once vaccination thresholds were met. The Victorian Premier Daniel Andrews said he was committed to the national plan but would be discussing some detail with Morrison on Wednesday. He also said until at least 70% of people were vaccinated, the state had no choice but to pursue an aggressive suppression strategy of Delta variant. He also wanted to help make it the best plan possible. And the New South Wales Premier Gladys said that her state would stick to the plan and said he would be disappointed if other states walked away. He said we need to think of ourselves not just as a citizen of a state but citizen of Australia, and accept that we have friends and relatives, work colleagues that live in different states, that we have Australians waiting to come home, and if not at 80% double dose, then when? We also have to accept is that every state in Australia need to learn to live with COVID.